Engineering application of Fourier's law. Uh, Fourier's law is a fundamental principle used in engineering to manage heat transfer in building and heat ventilation, air conditioning engineering. It helps engineers design thermally efficient walls, roofs, and windows by calculating the appropriate insulation thickness. They need to reduce heat loss during winter and heat gain during summer. This improves energy efficiency and indoor comfort. For the electronics and electrical engineering, Fourier's law is used to design cooling system of electronic devices such as microprocessor, power transistors, and LEDs. It helps determine the appropriate materials and dimension of heat sinks, thermal pads, and heat pipes to efficiently dissipate heat, heat and prevent overheating. For the mechanical and aerospace engineering, Fourier's law is applied in the design of radiators, condensers, heat exchangers, and engine components. It enables engineers to calculate the heat transfer from metals, cools, ensuring efficient cooling, improve heat exchange performance, and safe operating temperatures for engines and aircraft systems. The chemical and process engineering, 4 years law, is used to design insulated pipelines for transporting LNG, steam, and chilled water. It helps engineers estimate heat loss or heat leakage, allowing them to select effective insulation system that reduce energy waste. For geothermal and energy engineering, 4 years law is applied to analyze heat flow within the Earth. Engineers use it to estimate the temperature gradient and geothermal heat flux, enabling the design and evaluation of the efficient geothermal power systems and underground thermal energy storage. The food processing and biomedical engineering, 4 years law is used to model heat transfer during food pasteurizations, cooking, freezing, and cryopreservation. It helps ensure proper heating for sterilizations and control the cooling to preserve food quality and protect biological tissues. Metallurgy and manufacturing, 4 years law is applied to control transfer. Heat transfer during casting, welding, and heat treatment. By predicting cooling rates, engineers can optimize material properties, reduce defects such as warping, and improve the strength and durability of metal products. So, in summary, we have the Fourier's law is not just a theoretical equation; it is design tool used daily by engineers to answer the fundamental questions: how thick does this material need to be, or what materials should I choose to keep heat where I want it, or to get rid of it where I don't